Hakan Nigason's program.
Former MLA and NPP spokesperson HM Shangpliang acknowledged yesterday that when he joined the party, he was not given any guarantee by the leadership that he would be given the Lok Sabha ticket for the Shillong parliamentary seat. Concurrently, Shangpliang acknowledged that he was a candidate for the party ticket that Ampareen Lyngdoh, the cabinet minister, was given. Shangpliang claimed that there is no animosity since Ampareen was chosen to receive the ticket by the state president Preston Tinsong and national president Conrad K. Sangma. The former MLA said that he will be working harder to ensure that Dr. Ampareen Lyngdoh comes out victorious as the MP from the NPP.
I already mentioned that I joined the party with no conditions. So therefore, I am here to serve the party, and I want to see that this party grows more. And I will be working more harder to make sure that Dr. Ampareen Lyngdoh comes out victorious as the MP from the NPP party.
हमारा विकसित संकल्प यात्रा ऑफिशियल